Good evening, everyone. Topic for today is Microsoft Sentinel Hunting Query. A hunting query is a structured query used to proactively search for suspicious, anomalous, or potentially malicious activities that are not detected by standard alert. हंटिंग क्वेरी को हम मैनुअली रन करते हैं टू सर्च फॉर एनी सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी। इस क्वेरी को यूज़ करके आप एनालिटिक रूल्स भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो या फिर कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी है जिसके लिए आप अलर्ट नहीं क्रिएट करना चाहते हो बट माइट वांट टू चेक दोज एक्टिविटीज ओकेजनली। In that case also you can use this hunting queries. If you will click on queries tab, you will get the list of the predefined queries that is provided by Microsoft. These all are out of box hunting queries. Okay, let's pick one from this list. I'm selecting a query that is related to NHG. If you will open this, you will see we have the description of this query, that what it will detect, and then we have the complete Cakewheel query. Along with description and Cakewheel query, we have entity type, tactics, and technique as well. After that, we have a button to view the results of this query. Let's click on this view result button. It will redirect you to advanced hunting. From here, you can run the query and check the results. These all are out of box hunting queries, but if you want to add your own custom query under this list, you can click on add new, and then we have this widget. Here you need to put the name of this query, and then you need to put the description, the query. For testing, I'm just putting a simple query to filter out SQL security audit event from Azure Activity Table. Now select tactics and techniques. I'm selecting execution for now, and now click on create and just wait for a few seconds, and now you can see the query is successfully added. Look at the first one. This is the query which I have just added. Now click on three dots. You will get these many options. As you can see, we have option to run, edit, clone, and also to create analytic rules. And if you want to create hunt, just select create hunt option. यहाँ पे आपको ये सारी डिटेल्स फिल करनी है, लाइक हंट नेम, डिस्क्रिप्शन, ओनर, स्टेटस एंड ऑल, बट दीज ऑल आर ऑप्शनल अपार्ट फ्रॉम हंट नेम. So let's only put the hunt name and then click on create. Wait for a few seconds. And now see, it is successfully created. Now to check that, click on hunt preview tab, the first tab, and yeah, you can see the hunt is successfully created. अभी जो हमने hunt create किया, that was using custom query which I have added. Now create a hunt using the out of box query which is provided by Microsoft. So let's click on three dots, select create hunt. Now put the name of the hunt, click on create. It is created successfully. चेक करने के लिए let's go back to the hunt preview tab, the first tab. Now you can see both hunt has been created successfully. And now if you want to create incident based on this hunt, you can also create incident, and process is same. You need to click on create. It will ask you to fill in some details and the incident will get created. Now let's talk about live streams. Live stream allow you to run a hunting query continuously and view results in near real time. It keeps running in the background continuously, incoming logs को check करता है and displays the result instantly. The main difference between the hunting queries and the live stream is that hunting query past data पे work करता है and live stream works on the real time. Like ये जैसे जैसे नए logs आ रहे हैं, ये उनको analyze करता रहेगा और result display continuously करता रहेगा. Okay, live stream run करने के लिए pick any of these hunting queries. Click on three dots and now click on add to live stream. See, it is successfully added. लाइव स्ट्रीम में हमें एडिशनल डिटेल्स देखने को मिल रहा है, लाइक द स्टेटस ऑफ द क्वेरी दैट इज़ रनिंग, नेम ऑफ द हंटिंग क्वेरी, कब से ये क्वेरी रन कर रही है दैट इज़ इन थर्ड कॉलम, एंड द नंबर ऑफ रिजल्ट्स, लास्ट रिजल्ट टाइम एंड रिजल्ट ग्राफ. इफ़ एट एनी टाइम यू फील लाइक इस क्वेरी को स्टॉप करना है या डिलीट करना है, देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दीज थ्री डॉट एंड सेलेक्ट एनी ऑफ दीज ऑप्शन. Now, last tab is bookmarks. Bookmarks is a way to save specific query results or event for further investigation. अगर आपने कोई क्वेरी रन की और आपको कोई सस्पिशियस इवेंट्स या रिकॉर्ड्स दिखे, तो उस रिकॉर्ड को आप बुकमार्क करके सेव कर सकते हो. दैट विल हेल्प यू टू रिड्यूस द एफर्ट, बिकॉज आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम ये क्वेरी वापस रन नहीं करनी पड़ेगी एंड यू माइट नॉट लूज द इवेंट्स और सस्पिशियस रिकॉर्ड्स. बुकमार्क का यूज़ आप मल्टीपल इवेंट्स को कोरिलेट करने के लिए कर सकते हो, इम्पॉर्टेंट फाइंडिंग्स को सेव करने के लिए कर सकते हो, या फिर अपनी फाइंडिंग्स किसी और टीम के साथ शेयर करने के लिए कर सकते हो. That's all for today's video. I hope this was informative and helpful. If you have any questions and concerns, put that in the comment section. Meanwhile, keep watching and keep learning.